Good day, I'm Samantha Allen, and this is your JIS News for Friday, March 14. The Education Ministry says all is in place for the 2014 Grade 6 Achievement Test GSAT set for next week, Thursday and Friday. Chief Education Officer Dr. Grace McLean says all necessary arrangements have been made and the 1,135 examination centers across the island are ready. 45,133 students will sit the exam this year.
Where approved, accommodations have been made for students with special needs, and timetables have already been dispatched to students in all regions.
In a JIS think tank session this week, she said schools that operate as examination centers would be closed on both days to minimize distractions for those taking the test. Telephone hotlines have been set up for queries. Meanwhile, Education Minister Reverend Ronald Thwaites says previously announced plans to change the GSAT curriculum next year are taking shape. At a function this week, the minister said the new curriculum will encourage students to concentrate on critical thinking and less on memory skills.
We're going to be affecting the science paper and the social studies paper next year. There'll be fewer questions probably, and they will require a bit more thinking by the students and a little less memorizing.
Minister Thwaites was speaking Wednesday at the official opening of a computer lab at the Emmanuel Christian Academy. He used the occasion to make a special address to students who will sit the GSAT next week, encouraging them to relax and do their best. The Voluntary Banking Code of Conduct is closer to becoming a reality. The code reflects guidelines governing the relationship between financial institutions and their customers. The Consumer Affairs Commission, CAC, which is handling the matter on behalf of customers, says discussions have been fruitful for a successful rollout of the code. The CAC's Chief Executive Officer, Dulce Allen, says matters being ironed out include banks displaying their charges on ATMs and a special treatment for the elderly and other special customers.
We have had some discussions and the banks are coming around, and so we're hoping that within short order the code will be signed off.
Mrs. Allen was addressing a recent JIS think tank session where she revealed that the Consumer Protection Tribunal should be operational in a matter of weeks. The tribunal was established by the government to serve as a court system for aggrieved customers. Students at the Lister Mayor Gilby School for the Deaf are benefiting from the integration of the software UTouch as a teaching aid. The software was presented to the school by the University of Technology UTech recently. It will use Jamaican Sign Language to teach English language to listening impaired and deaf students. Local census data show that there are some 12,000 deaf and hard of hearing persons and 63,000 mild hard of hearing persons. In commending UTech for the development of the software, Education Minister Reverend Ronald Thwaites said the teaching aid supported the ministry's mandate that every child must learn.
The UTech software can facilitate the achievement of this goal in the lives of the 75,000 deaf and hard of hearing persons. And yes, Dr. Golding, we embrace the potential of this software to be used to instruct another 35,000 students each year who are slow learners and who are placed in the A-STEP, or now it's called the ASEP program.
Youth groups are being challenged to redefine their strategies as they seek to build positive values and attitudes in the society. The call came from Governor General Sir Patrick Allen as he addressed the media launch of National Girls Brigade Month and Tag Drive a week ago.
As you look to what has been done, you also have to consider what you are now doing and the legacy that you will leave. Someday, along the way, others will come and look to you and the era that you existed and operated in, and will either laud you or critique the work that you do.
Girls Brigade Month is being celebrated in March under the theme Reflecting on the Past, Renewing Our Mission, and the organization is also marking 90 years in Jamaica this year. And finally, 25-year-old Poy Robinson, a visually impaired graduate of the Caribbean Maritime Institute, is the senior winner of government's inaugural Logistics Hub essay competition. Robinson was among 6 persons to take home trophies in various categories at Wednesday's awards ceremony. The competition was conceptualized to increase awareness about government's plan to make Jamaica a major player in the global shipping and logistics industry.
The inaugural Logistics Hub essay competition created a buzz right across Jamaica and beyond our shores. The response to the competition indicated to us at the ministry that people want to understand the issues associated with the logistics hub. They want to be included. They want to feel part of this national and global initiative.
Entrants wrote on the topic, Jamaica's Global Logistics Hub, the big opportunity for Jamaica and the world. The main prizes included a trip to South America to tour the Panama Canal, a scholarship at the Caribbean Maritime Institute, and a smartphone from Digicel. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Samantha Allen. Thanks for watching.